Namaste, hello, good evening, and welcome back to your very own Rendezvous with Twin Flames. I am Neha, your host, and I hope all of you are doing great and progressing in your life. A sincere thanks to all of you for tuning in and sparing your valuable time. Let's get started with today's request. The question for today is: I drunk called my twin flame last night after months of separation with no reply. I feel so down now and regret giving her that validation. Will this affect me for a long run? Regrets are not for twin flame connection, never ever. Regret is something that you did wrong or you feel sorry about. Are you sorry for loving her? Of course not. If you ask me, you would have regret in case you would not have called her. With that drunk dialing, you had released the pain that you were not able to bear and it was bothering you somewhere. Releasing emotion is very much important and you did the same. Do not take it in a way that you gave her a validation. She already knows that you love her, isn't it? You must have only quoted the fact all over again. Did you ask her to love you back the way you do? I hope this is not the case, as this would be setting an expectation from her. Let her be herself. Maybe she has yet not realized about your true love and hence she is running away from you. I would suggest you to respect your feelings for her and never regret them, because these feelings are natural and they cannot be reversed. If you love someone, you love them. You just cannot unlove them. What you can try doing is to avoid hurting yourself by such gloomy thoughts. If you can win over your thoughts, nothing is going to affect you ever. I would like to conclude the episode with the famous saying, I never regret loving someone unconditionally, because if you are regretting loving someone, then it was never love. So, as I always say, stay in love if you wish to rise in love. Friends, with all the appreciation and blessings, I have started with my YouTube channel, Soul's Rendezvous. Please do like and subscribe. In case you have any questions or if you wish to share your experience, you may comment and I would love to share it with our audience. Thank you again for listening to me. See you soon. Till then, stay in love with Rendezvous with Twin Flames.